Sorry, I'm at work. But so I am going to add some coolant to my system into here because there was definitely not enough that I put in this morning. So my dad was actually able to buy me some today while I was at work, and I'm also gonna burp the system. What that means is I'm gonna fill this with coolant. I'm gonna get one of my residents to turn on my van, and while it's running, I watch this, and as it goes down, I fill it with more until it starts bubbling. Once the bubbling stops, turn off the engine, put on the cap, and she's burped. I'm not going to show you that part because obviously I don't film my residents, but yeah, we're going to fill this up.